Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we'll explore top 10 game-changing strategies to transform your study routine and help you to achieve top results. Effective preparation, examinations, smart study techniques, discipline, proactive approach. Strategic tricks. Students can optimize their learning experience and improve performance on exams. These tricks are designed not only to help with retaining information, but also to manage time and reduce exam stress. Here are the top 10 tricks to prepare for exams, which can often lead to shallow understanding and poor retention. Spread out your study sessions over weeks or months, making sure that you are gradually absorbing the material at a sustainable pace. Early preparation also allows time to seek help on difficult topics, especially when dealing with multiple exams. It is essential to prioritize subjects based on difficulty level or personal strengths and weaknesses. To optimize your study routine, prioritize subjects that challenge you while still dedicating time to areas where you're already proficient. Balancing both ensures comprehensive understanding. Include short breaks between study sessions to maintain focus and prevent burnout. Incorporate active learning techniques, such as summarizing, questioning, and teaching, to enhance retention. Instead of passively reading, actively engage with the material by summarizing it in your own words, reinforcing key concepts. Additionally, create questions based on what you've learned and answer them to test your recall and familiarize yourself with the exam format. Teaching the material to someone else is another effective strategy. It forces you to organize your thoughts clearly and helps identify any gaps in your knowledge. Practicing with past papers and mock exams is an essential part of exam preparation. These papers provide insight into the types of questions you'll encounter, helping you familiarize yourself with the exam format. Be sure to time yourself to simulate exam conditions, which aids in time management. After completing practice papers, review your answers to identify areas requiring further revision and spot common question patterns. Consistent practice builds confidence and ensures thorough preparation. Additionally, break down study material into smaller, more manageable sections using the chunking method. This technique, based on the idea that the brain retains information more effectively when grouped into smaller units, reduces overwhelm and improves retention. By using these strategies, you can optimize your study efforts and significantly improve your academic performance. For instance, instead of trying to memorize a whole chapter at once, break it down into sections or key points. Focus on one part at a time, and once mastered, move on to the next. This approach reduces the feeling of being overwhelmed and improves long-term retention. Effective note-taking is another vital skill for exam preparation. When attending classes or reviewing textbooks, take concise, organized notes that highlight the main points. Avoid writing everything down verbatim. Instead, focus on key concepts, definitions, and examples that support the material. Review and rewrite your notes regularly to reinforce learning. Organizing your notes in different formats, such as mind maps, diagrams, or bullet points, can also help visualize relationships between concepts, which is especially useful for subjects requiring understanding of complex ideas. Maintaining a balanced and healthy lifestyle is often overlooked during exam preparation, but it is essential for optimal brain function and focus. Sleep plays a significant role in memory consolidation and overall cognitive performance. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep every night, especially during the lead-up to exams. Additionally, physical activity boosts blood flow to the brain, improving concentration and memory. Regular exercise, even if it's just a short walk, helps relieve stress and keep your mind fresh. Healthy eating habits are equally important, as proper nutrition supports brain health and energy levels throughout the day. Taking regular breaks is vital for maintaining focus and avoiding mental fatigue. The Pomodoro technique, which involves studying for 25 minutes and then taking a 5-minute break, is a proven method for maximizing productivity. During breaks, do something relaxing or enjoyable, such as stretching, grabbing a snack, or listening to music. This helps reset your mind, making it easier to focus when you return to studying. Avoid activities that can distract you for too long, such as checking social media, as these can derail your progress. Staying positive and managing stress are crucial for exam success. It's easy to feel overwhelmed or anxious as exams approach, but a positive mindset can make a significant difference. Instead of stressing about what you don't know, focus on what you have already mastered and the progress you've made. Practice mindfulness techniques such as deep breathing or meditation to calm your mind before study sessions or during breaks. Positive affirmations and visualization can also help boost confidence and reduce anxiety. When you stay positive, you're more likely to approach studying with enthusiasm and clarity. Lastly, make use of study aids such as flashcards, educational apps, and online resources. Flashcards are particularly useful for subjects that require memorization, such as languages, history, or science. Educational apps can turn studying into an interactive experience, providing quizzes, games, and other methods of engaging with the material. Online resources like videos, forums, and blogs can offer different perspectives and explanations, which may make complex topics easier to understand. Don't hesitate to reach out to peers or teachers if you need further clarification on any topic. In conclusion, preparing for exams is not just about hard work, but about working smart. By starting early, creating a study schedule, actively engaging with the material, practicing past papers, and maintaining a healthy lifestyle, you set yourself up for success. Consistent effort, combined with effective study techniques, will not only improve your exam performance, but also make the process less stressful and more rewarding. Stay organized, stay motivated, and remember that preparation is the key to achieving your goals.